Hello creators, ever spent hours of typing captions for your videos? Well, those days are over. Today we're diving deep into Capcut's amazing auto captions feature. So let's add subtitles in seconds. So we've all been there. You create amazing videos, but adding captions feels like a chore. But fear not, because Capcut's auto captioning feature is here to help. Capcut's auto captions are like magic. Well, tech magic. It uses speech recognition to analyze your video's audio and automatically generate captions. So without any further ado, here's how to use the auto captioning feature in Capcut. At first, open the Capcut app and also open your project or create a new project by adding some photos or videos. Now, tap the text option here and click here on the auto caption. After that, choose Generate from Audio and click on Generate button. And wait for a while and let the magic happen. Capcut will analyze your video's audio and create captions. This is an example of auto caption. Now, auto captions are fantastic, but sometimes they need a little TLC. That is, review and edit. Check the auto-generated captions on your timeline and edit any typos or timing issues. Style it up. Capcut lets you customize your captions, change fonts, colors, or even add animations. And remember, auto captions are a great starting point, but double-checking ensures crystal clear subtitles for everyone. And finally, there you have it. With Capcut's auto captions, adding subtitles to your video is a breeze. Save time, create engaging content, and focus on what you love, making amazing videos. If you have any Capcut questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks.